Graphs, discrete and continuous variables. What are discrete and continuous variables? Definition. Discrete data is counted. Discrete data can only take certain values. For example, the number of students in a class. We can't have half a student, can we? Continuous variables. Definition. Continuous data can take any value, but that's within a range. For example, a person's height. It could be any value within the range of human heights. It can be 1,4 meters or 2 meters, 2,3 meters. It's not a certain fixed height. For example, time in a race. You could even measure it into fractions of a second. Continuous variables. Definition. It can take any value, like we said, within a range. For what type of graph do we use for discrete data? A bar graph, because a bar graph uses categories. Check it out, how pupils travel to school are in categories. The meals sold during the week are in categories, and the number of pets owned. Notice that on the y-axis, we show the frequency. Mostly, there are spaces between the bars. What type of graph do we use for continuous data? Length of objects. Look at the x-axis, length in centimeters. So a histogram for continuous data is a frequency diagram. Then grouped data is then graphed on a histogram. Look at the class intervals. There are 5 class intervals. The first one is from 4 to 6, and then that one is from 10 to 12. So the data is grouped. To summarize, discrete data can be counted and we use bar graphs. Continuous data can be measured and we use histograms.